Precision, power, performance, warranty. And that's what you're going to get when you come to UseCumminsTrucks.com. The legendary John the Diesel Man. This is a stunning 2001 quad cab long bed LARAMIE SLT Plus 2500 8800 GVW. Beautiful red claret paint. 6 new tires, 10 ply, Cooper Starfires, which we also sell at our dealership and repair shop. This truck is a 2-owner truck from out west. It's got beautiful stainless step bars on it, a wonderful spray-in bed liner, tinted rear glass slider rear view window, heated power mirrors, a beautiful leather interior. Now let's take a look at the latches and see what they look like. Headliner's nice and clean and nice and straight. Sunglass holder with rear view. It's got the space under the rear view seat. The dash is not cracked. The windshield is wonderful. This has got triple pod gauges, pyrometer, turbo boost, and fuel. The carpets are nice and clean. There's your NV5600 new venture gear, 6-speed manual transmission, towing controller, more space, 4-wheel drive. There's the original key fob. It's got cruise control. This door is also nice and clean. Our trucks don't lie. You've got John the Used Cummins Diesel Truck Dealer. Brand new tires. Heavy-duty rear helper springs. Now, at UseCumminsTrucks.com, we are the largest second-gen Cummins diesel truck dealer in the world. John the Legend, the Cummins diesel truck man, knows his trucks. He's got a wonderful repair facility, and he's a parts dealer. It's not easy becoming the largest second-gen Cummins diesel dealer in the world, but John has done it through service, quality, clean trucks, and standing behind every single truck that he sells. This side is just as beautiful. Now this truck's got 219K on the clock. Power seats. The clutch pedal is not worn. All highway miles, guys. The 4-wheel drive works just excellent. Let's take you under the hood, because we've got 30 seconds to go, and I'm getting excited. Look how clean that truck is. There's your fuel stub. This truck's got everything. It's ready to go. Stand behind every truck that we sell. Come and see us at UseCumminsTrucks.com. Find out why there's no dealer that does well. at the auction and send them to the site. We go through them!